Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Wake&Tech. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to change your username on TikTok. If you're bored of your current username on TikTok and you'd like to do something about it, here's how to do it. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Start by tapping open your TikTok application. Make sure you're logged into your TikTok account. Once you are, from the For You page, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. If you want to change your username into something else, tap on the Edit Profile button right under your Following or Followers tab. Go to the username text box and give it a tap. Now, type in the username of your choice, and once you find the username to be available, you'll be able to see a green tick mark right next to the username that you chose. Finally, tap on the Save button in the top right hand corner in order to set up your username. In the pop-up that asks you if you are sure you'd like to do so, you'll be able to see that it says you can change your username once every 30 days, so be sure to choose the correct username since you won't be able to change it for the next 30 days. After you're sure you'd like to do so, tap on Set Username, wait for a few seconds, and you'll be able to see your username change right away. Go to your profile page and you'll be able to see the changes. That is how you'll be able to change your username on TikTok. If you're bored of the current username that you are using for it, I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.